Hi friends, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain about first date DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here. This is first date DAX function. Okay, first date add dates. Okay, let's check this DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here. I have already imported some data. Next, to go to report. Okay, click new measure. Type here calculate sum of sales. Close this parenthesis. Okay, type first date. Okay, returns first non-blank date. Okay. See this here. Next, select date column and close this parenthesis. Okay, let's check this DAX function. See this here. Like next, go to visualization, select curd and select this measure. See this here. This is my first date sales 4.48 millions. Okay, let's check this function. See this here, select to slicer and next to select date column and click this and select to list and third and next to go to select the sales. Okay, see this here, this is my first day sales. See this here, 4.48 millions. Okay, see this here, this is 4.48 millions. Okay, this is first day that function in Power BI Desktop. Okay.